Welcome to Healthy Horizons. We share the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with expert advice and practical health insights. Subscribe now and start your journey to better health. Using a heating pad or kairo on specific areas of the body can provide incredible benefits, especially during the colder months. Let's go over some key points about where to place a heating pad for the best results, and how it can improve your overall health. First, placing a heating pad on your back is one of the most effective ways to warm your whole body. The muscles in your back, especially the trapezius muscle that runs from your neck to your shoulders, play a big role in regulating your body temperature. When these muscles are warm, they help improve blood circulation, which in turn boosts your metabolism. Metabolism is the process that burns energy, even when you're resting. So by warming up your back, you're helping your body burn more energy naturally. This is especially helpful for people who tend to feel cold all the time or have poor circulation. Additionally, warming your back can help support internal organs. There are important pressure points on your back that correspond to various organs, like the kidneys, stomach, and liver. For example, the kidney shoe point, located near your lower back, is directly connected to your kidney function. By warming this area, you can help improve kidney function, which plays a key role in detoxifying your body by filtering out waste through your urine. Similarly, warming points related to your stomach and liver can help support digestion and liver function, making your whole body feel better. Moving on to the stomach. Applying a heating pad here is fantastic for improving digestion. Cold weather can slow down blood flow, causing your digestive organs to work less efficiently. This can lead to issues like indigestion or bloating. By warming up your stomach, you promote better circulation to the digestive organs, helping them function more smoothly. There's also a special pressure point called schenkel, located at your belly button. Warming this point can improve digestion and help with nutrient absorption, making it easier for your body to process food. For women, using a heating pad on the stomach is especially helpful for relieving menstrual cramps. When the body gets cold, blood vessels constrict, leading to pain and discomfort, particularly in the lower abdomen. By applying heat, you relax the muscles, increase blood flow, and reduce pain. There are two important points in the lower abdomen called kohai and ganiwan, which are associated with reproductive health. Warming these areas can help alleviate cramps and even reduce discomfort caused by cold-related abdominal pain. Next, let's talk about the neck. Placing a heating pad on the neck helps improve blood circulation throughout the entire body. The neck is home to the carotid artery, a major blood vessel that carries blood from the heart to the brain and the rest of the body. Warming this area helps circulate warm blood more effectively, making your whole body feel warmer. This is particularly useful for people who suffer from cold hands and feet. Warming your neck can also be a great way to boost your immune system. When the body is cold, blood flow slows down, and immune cells, like white blood cells, don't move through the body as effectively. These cells are responsible for fighting off infections. So when you warm up your neck, you improve circulation and help your immune system work more efficiently. The neck is also where your autonomic nervous system is concentrated, which controls your body's response to stress and regulates temperature. By keeping this area warm, you help your body stay in balance, especially during the cold and flu season. Another important area to target is the lower back. Your kidneys are located in this area, and just like the kidney shoe point on your back, warming this region can help support kidney function. The kidneys play a vital role in regulating fluid balance and filtering out toxins. So by applying heat to your lower back, you can help your kidneys work more efficiently, especially when cold temperatures might slow them down. Warming your lower back is also a great way to prevent back pain, especially for people who suffer from cold-related stiffness. When muscles get cold, they contract and can become stiff, leading to discomfort or pain. By applying a heating pad to the lower back, you relax these muscles, increase blood flow, and reduce stiffness. This can be particularly helpful for people who sit for long periods or have sedentary jobs, as warming the lower back can prevent the discomfort that comes from sitting too long. Finally, don't forget about your feet. Placing a heating pad on the soles of your feet is one of the best ways to combat cold feet and improve circulation throughout your body. There's a very important pressure point called nyongkwan, located in the center of the foot, and warming this point can help relieve coldness in the extremities. Because your feet are the farthest point from your heart, they tend to get cold more easily. By warming your feet, you help improve overall blood flow, making your entire body feel warmer. Warming your feet can also have a positive effect on your internal organs. When your feet are cold, blood flow to the internal organs can slow down, leading to poor digestion or fatigue. Warming your feet improves circulation and helps your organs receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. This is especially helpful for those who struggle with digestive issues or cold-induced discomfort in the winter. In summary, using a heating pad on specific parts of your body or back, stomach, neck, lower back, and feet can significantly improve blood circulation, boost metabolism, support organ function, and even prevent or reduce pain. It's a simple and effective way to stay warm and healthy during the colder months. How did you like the video? At Healthy Horizons, we bring you the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with carefully curated health and wellness insights. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. See you next time.